Hey everyone, it's Nick from NixCrossing, and I'm back at New Freedom, Pennsylvania, and to my left is the 6076 GP9, and I'm joined with RJ78Productions to there, and then JPVideos to my right. So, let me get them in frame there. There they are. So, we're just checking out some trains here. Definitely check out their videos and renditions of walking around here for the first time. But we're eventually going to head back. Oh wow, there's RJ. I don't know if you guys saw that. You have to put it in slow-mo. So yeah, we're gonna go back and run some trains, get a bite to eat first, and then go up to the attic and run some trains. So let's go do that. All right, let's see what they're doing. All right guys, so RJ is on the left one with the American steam engine there, the Pennsy. Well, my left. And JP Videos is going to be on the right one, which is an English steam engine man-mod, so.
Good day, mate. Oh, Crocky.
All right, let them rip. See,
Cheerio.
we have multiple angles here. So we'll go on this angle here.
Don't know if this is working or not.
RJ's lighter seems to be the strongest source.
They give me faulty tablets here.
No.
This is rigged.
Oh, of course, that
Oh, you're lit. Yeah, put it in. There you go. All right, so it appears that we are both lit. It is getting very cold, and the light is dimming here.
You got a bonfire going there.
Yeah.
Well,
Uh-oh.
standing up, so it won't go in.
Might have to go further back.
There you go.
There we go.
Fire is in the pot.
All right, here a sizzle.
Yeah, it's this one. Mine going? Oh yeah, I see some flame in there.
And we have a close-up.
We got flameage. And some heat. Remember guys, we want this one to win, so.
Yeah.
Route. English steamer. English steamer.
All
We
right.
got some water leakage
Uh-oh. Where from?
on his in the back.
Uh-oh.
Right here. And it's dripping down out of the eyelet here.
That's fine. Yeah, you're good.
That's normal.
Yeah, it's got a seat. Let's get a view from the other side of the table. All right, we have a good fire in that one. And we have a good fire in that one too. Only a matter of minutes here. It's a steam stack. It's cool. So when this one actually goes off, the steam shoots out from the exhaust here into the stack. Yeah, you get forward,
reverse.
forward and reverse.
And
Yours is open, pretty much.
And I got a little whistle here.
Can actually, I'm gonna get burned. No pressure there. Oh, a little bit of pressure. All right, what about this one? Ah, it's hot, really hot.
I hear some
A little bit of pressure there.
little vent.
Definitely a nice hand warmer. Yeah, I usually don't fire these up in the summer, but actually we could close that. that help you build up steam. Because yours is closed
I
too.
didn't touch it.
My
That was
my
all
bad.
you.
All right, we're getting. This one might be able to go. What about you?
Moved a little bit.
Nope.
Mine's turning frothy.
Very hot.
Yeah, it's turning knob black.
All right.
Does that mean I'm winning?
You might be able to go.
You already opened it.
Oh, you have to spin the wheel.
Oh.
Sorry.
I guess I won.
RJ won this battle. And the safety's about to go on yours. RJ has discovered the whistle feature of this engine. Oh, you might be ready to go too. All right, spin the wheel back. Actually, lock it in gear.
Which way? This way?
Yeah. Well, put it back a little bit further. You can feel it like notch in,
Okay.
and then try it. Oh, spin it that way. Try one more notch back. Yeah, then do it. There you go. All right. So we have both of them going. It's like two kids playing on the trains right here. I love it. All right, they are moving.
That's pretty cool.
I call an even tie. We had technical difficulties.
I think yours will shoot out the steam.
And there goes the steam stack.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Nice and hot.
Yeah. That's cool.
We now have an audience. There's Nikki from NixCrossing. She's home from work. And guys, don't forget to check out their videos as well. I'll post their channel links in the description. All right, guys, this is round 2. They've switched sides. So,
Ooh, ow, hot.
RJ was burned. Round 2. All right, the Jensen is lit. And we're now waiting on the Mamad.
You blew it out. Fires are lit.
Now we'll be able to get a nice picture of the fire in there too.
Fire.
All right, so round 2 here.
Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking.
Yeah, we did overfill the boilers a little bit, but it's dark, so I blame it on the dark, not human error. Try a whistler too.
Not quite.
It's getting there. All right, my phone was in the splash zone, so we're good. We're live. But it's gonna be real bad. Whoops.
Probably start rolling now.
Yeah, you can get rolling.
This?
Yep. And then
Other way. There you go. Oh my.
all right.
Oh, it's cooking.
Yeah, I'd say the safety your safety valve's up.
So it won't blow the whistle?
It's just got too much water, that's all. There you go. Oh, it's gotta go one back. Yeah, there you go.
Trying.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Nice dry steam. Whew. Yeah.
Around the mountain when she comes.
See the fire in both of them cooking up. Nice. Hey everyone, I want to thank RJ78Productions and JPVideos for stopping by the train studio today. And we ran trains for, what, 4 or 5 hours or so?
At least.
We ran through everything pretty much, but they'll be back, and I'll definitely put their channel links in the description for RJ and JP, so you guys can check out their videos whenever they decide to post theirs. But I'm going to get this video up as soon as I can. So thank you all. I hope to see you in future adventures and train videos.